Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2022 GMC Sierra 2500 AT4. This one is the 6.6 liter gas, of course AT4HD. This thing is sweet. Multifunction tailgate, of course. I have the cargo lights on. This is where your DEF would be. Step side bed, you got a step there as well. Check this out. Look at how much room there is back here. It is insane. And something a little cool, it's a little cubby tray all in there. And then of course you have under seat storage as well. Also, pretty cool feature. Let's say you tow. We'll say this bedside, the step is high up there. Automatic windows for the front two. Wireless charging. Now, this is one of those trucks, it does have heated and cooled seats. However, due to the chip shortage that was running rampant when this truck was made, they don't work. So there is an active recall on this. We can bring this to the GMC store at any time and get these working. So that's not a problem at all, and we're probably going to do that this week. Let's see, sunroof, Kalahari inserts, very, very nice truck. Six-speed automatic. You got all the cameras you will ever need. I mean, the amount of customization there is in this is just incredible. Now, check these out. If I'm not mistaken, these are for your trailer. So your trailer can be hooked up to the truck's tire pressure monitors. That is pretty darn cool, in a way that you can continue to monitor the trailer as you're towing. Now, I used to work at a auto group that had a GMC store. As a matter of fact, we still have one, but I'm just in a different dealer group. So I've driven a ton of these. I don't think I've driven, I know I haven't driven a 22 AT4 HD out on the road. That's why I'm featuring this one. So I've spent the weekend with the truck. It's an awesome truck. It is a big truck. But once you get used to it, it is very nice to drive. One thing that I found very unique about the truck is because it's so massive, you do not feel like you're going the speeds you are. So this is 40 miles an hour, 42 to be exact. These are OEM tires and everything. This feels like 20 in my car. But when you look out the window at the ground, you're like, oh, you actually are moving. You're so high up that it really does isolate you from that sense of speed. However, if you're on a tight back road, yeah, you feel like you're going pretty quick. little slippery with the salt that we have down. It's only, what, 18 degrees, 20 degrees at this point? Fahrenheit. I will say, in terms of brake pedal feel, this is actually pretty darn good. You have to put a good amount of pressure to really stop this truck, and to be honest, that's what I like. The amount of pressure I put into my foot directly correlates to how much pressure is applied to the rotors, front and rear. That is awesome. And I will say, it's unique for this truck. You really realize, hey, this is a big, heavy truck. You got to put some effort into slowing it down. So like here, this amount of pressure would be like slamming on the brakes of my car, but in reality, you need a lot more. But when you do apply that pressure, you realize this truck can really put the binders on and come to a stop quickly. And that was not full force because I don't want to slam on the brakes. But it can come to a stop. Murano cross cap. Wow, you don't see those. Surprised they're still running around, to be honest with you. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See you all in the next one.